Hey,
What's your name?
I'm Azra.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Tell us something about you.
I like to travel. I am substitute teaching back in Boston, so I decided to come here as a tutor. Thought it would be a good experience to work abroad.
Is this your first camp?
It's my second camp.
Okay. Are you enjoying this camp?
Yes, I am.
And tell us a word for this camp.
Energizer Bunny.
Okay. And what do you like about Italy?
I like the food, the people, the hospitality, the nature.
Would you like to come back here again?
Yeah, next summer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Acle's English camps